Are you an incoming student ready to apply for on-campus housing at Kent State University? My name is Abby. Let's walk through the application together. The application has 2 steps. Step 1, where you will complete basic information and sign the housing contract. And step 2, where you will input your preferences and search for roommates. Step 1 must be completed to advance to step 2. We encourage you to do both steps back to back to cross it off your checklist. You can always come back to it and edit your application ahead of early July, even after submitting it. You will need 3 things to complete step 1 of your application, and make sure you have this information handy. Flashline login information, vaccination year for meningitis, meningococcal, and hepatitis B vaccination, your debit or credit card information for the application fee and deposit. To access the application, head to the housing website and find the gold button that says Apply for Housing. To sign into the housing application, click Kent State Student SSO Login and use your Flashline login. On the left-hand side, you'll find the navigation bar. Click Apply Now. Then find the button for the upcoming academic year. If you are under 18, your first page will be the parent/guardian approval form. This means both you and your parent or legal guardian will sign off on the resident hall contract for room and meal plan. Click Add a cosigner and fill in the information for your chosen cosigner. Once that is input and you have double-checked the information, click Next. Once that is complete, you'll find the personal details page. Most of your information from Flashline is preloaded. Just add your phone number. We will use this to contact you if we have any questions about your application. Following that, you will now fill out the criminal history disclosure. If you have something on your record larger than a minor traffic violation, you'll be able to submit this information through the housing application to University Housing and explain what happened. If you do not have vaccine information on file with housing, this page will appear for you after the criminal history disclosure form. For the housing application, please provide the vaccination years for meningitis, meningococcal, and hepatitis B vaccines. Separate from your housing application, you will still need to submit records for your measles, mumps, and rubella vaccination through the DeWeese Health Center on campus. The next page you'll see is related to accommodations. If you have a disability-related request necessary for equal access, we encourage you to talk about your accommodations you may be eligible for with Student Accessibility Services, SAS. We recommend getting in touch with them early to ensure you have plenty of time to provide the required documentation before your arrival on campus. Once SAS has everything they need, they will work with housing to support your accommodations. We can now continue to the payment information. Remember, you will need to submit this to continue to step 2 of your application, where you will find your roommate, indicate roommate preferences, join a theme community, and later select a room. You will pay both a housing application fee and an initial housing payment. The application fee is non-refundable. The initial housing payment will go directly to the cost of your housing. This is refundable if you cancel housing before May 1st. Once you complete your payment, sign and submit, pat yourself on the back. You've completed step 1. We recommend continuing directly on to step 2 to ensure you do not forget to come back. Remember, your preferences are not set in stone. You can always come back. Do your future self a favor and get them done now, just in case. Unlike step 1, you can view the pages in any order you would like. You will see a checklist here so you can keep track of what you have done and what you need to do. We will start with find a roommate. No roommate in mind? No problem. Fill out the lifestyle questionnaire and our system will generate potential matches for you to explore. Even if you have a roommate, we recommend filling this out as things can change for you or your roommate. We cannot overstate how important it is to be honest when answering these questions. If you smoke but tell your roommate you don't, there could be potential for conflict. Save yourself the trouble and be honest from the get-go. If you are coming in with a roommate in mind, you can select that here. You will need their first and last name and their Flashline email address. If they have not yet completed step 1 of their housing application, they will not be discoverable. So coordinate with them to find out when they will complete it. One person will need to request the match and the other will need to confirm it to ensure you're both on the same page. As time goes on and more people complete step 1, more potential roommate matches will populate. So if you don't find your perfect match on day 1, don't worry. Other places Flashes find roommates are on ZME or Destination Kent State, DKS, our summer orientation program. Explore all your options to find your roommate. Now I'm going to join a theme community. A theme community lets you live with people who share a common interest and give you the opportunity to join a built-in community. It is a great way to make friends and potentially meet people who may be taking the same class as you are. To explore the list of communities and find out where they are located, click here. Next, I'm going to the page to indicate room preferences. There are 24 halls across Kent State campus, and they all have different things to offer. As part of the assignment process, you'll be able to self-select your room in May and June. However, you need to list at least 3 and up to 8 preferences, including which hall and room types you want to live in. The assignments team will refer to this list if you forget to self-select your room during the room selection period. The last page of the checklist is titled Select a Room. Room selection for the fall semester will begin mid-May. A full breakdown of dates is available on our website, listed here. As we get closer, you will also get an email at your kent.edu email with details about your specific date and time, so it is important to monitor that email. Want to stay in the loop with things happening for the housing application and beyond? Stay connected with us on @KSU Housing on Instagram and Facebook. If you have any questions, you can contact us by phone or email. We're here to help answer any questions you may have and help you complete your application. We look forward to seeing you on campus. Go Flashes!